I'm at Ebbsfleet Station, Ebbsfleet International Station at Northfleet, or Ebbsfleet as they call it, which is just down the road from where I live, and I'm getting the train to St Pancras. That's the first part of the collection caper for the motorhome. Getting the underground to Waterloo. Took 15 minutes to get into London from Northfleet. Taxi now to go into Waterloo. I'm at Waterloo Station. I'm waiting for my departure time, which is 5 past 10. Over there is the famous Waterloo clock. And yeah, just waiting now. I've got to get the Weymouth train by the look of it. So yeah, happy days. Catch you soon. We're on the way to Basingstoke now. Basingstoke.
Welcome aboard all customers who have just joined this train here at Basingstoke. This train will now call on Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central. Brockenhurst, New Milton, Christchurch, Folkestone, Bournemouth, and Bournemouth. The train will divide and the front 5 coaches will be going on to Paul, Hammerby, Halton Heath, Weir and Walmore, Dorchester, Southampton, Weymouth. That's the front 5 coaches. The rear 5 coaches will go to Branksome, Parkstone and Paul. And if you go to the world famous New Milton, you do have to be in the front 5 coaches of this 10-car train due to the very short platform at New Milton. Next up on this service this morning, my friends, will be Winchester.
Really happy guard, nice to hear. Afternoon, as you can see, I'm on my way home. I'm about 25 miles from home now. Motorhome's not driving too bad. Needs a few little bits doing to it. Speedo's not working, I've noticed. So I need a cable for that. Might be a speed sensor, not sure. I'll check that out. UJ joint on the bottom of the steering column's a little bit loose, so I'm going to get a new one of those. And there's a bit of a bump every now and again when you put your accelerator down, so probably an engine mount as well. But all stuff I was expecting, to be honest, for the money I've paid for it. It's I stole it off them basically for the money I've paid. I will reveal once I've done it all what I paid for it, and obviously what it's cost to get it all up and running. But all the other motorhomes I've looked at been 10 grand for a half decent, you know, and I probably would have had to spend money on one of them anyway. So yeah, so I'm on the M25. We're doing 50 miles an hour through the roadworks and usual stuff, but she's plodding on and she's got some power. It's only a 2.5 TDI, 1996, but she's got some going. I've had to slow down a few times, sort of doing 72, 73 from the little speedo on the sat-nav, and then all of a sudden that packed up as well. So I was like, oh, fantastic. So I'm judging my speed with everyone else's anyway. So anyway, yeah, when I get back, which won't be long now hopefully, I'll get parked up and I'll do a video of the inside and the outside for you.